Everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of QR code on TikTok. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of QR code on TikTok app, should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you can search about TikTok app and you can click here. Then you can go to first stop and you can click OK. After that you can go to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Here clear cache, but don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. So please don't forget to support us.